In this video, let me show you how to deposit funds into Robinhood. Welcome back everyone to a new video on Howgenic. If you're trying to add in funds to invest from the brokerage of Robinhood, in this video, let me show you the step-by-step process. Open up your Robinhood app and then head over to the home page if you are not already by tapping on this icon on the bottom left. Inside of your home page, you'll be able to see a section which says buying power. Buying power is basically the section which shows the amount that is available on your funds in order to invest. So for you, it is currently going to show $0 as you would not have added in any balance. Just tap on the buying power option. And now again, you can see a different screen which is going to show your total balance on the top. It's again going to show you zero balance as you do not have any balance yet. Tap on the deposit funds button on the bottom. Now this is the section where you can add in funds. Just type in the total amount of money that you want to add in to the fund of Robinhood. Now you can also do so from different bank accounts or debit cards which you might have added in to your Robinhood account. Tap on the from option right here and you can pick from different accounts that you've added in. Once you've added in the bank account or selected your bank account, type in the amount that you want. Once you typed in the amount, you can also change the frequency. So if you want to keep depositing $50 or any amount of dollars every week or every month, you can change the frequency to make it recurring. If you don't want to make it recurring and want to deposit just this time, make sure to select the just once option and then tap on transfer. Once you tap on the transfer button, the funds are going to be deposited instantly if you use a debit card. So that was a video about the process that you deposit funds into Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.